Good afternoon, my dear friends. Today we will see about the next lesson, transpiration. What is the transpiration? Which type of transpiration we are found? And the another one is the uh, three types of the transpirations we are today we discuss about. What is the transpiration? Transpiration is a one type of physiological process. In this process, all the plants absorb the large quantity of water through the root system. The small amount of water absorbed by the plant is utilized for their metabolism, growth and the development, while most of the water is lost from their aerial part of the plant by the transpiration process. By means what? In the plant, 80 to 90% of the water is present in the plant. We discussed in the last lecture. Okay, then how much water is utilized by the plant and how much water is evaluate in the form of a vapors we discuss about in this lecture. What this process is called as a transpiration. What is the meaning of the transpiration? The definition, what is the definition? The transpiration is a one type of a physiological process in which the loss of water in the form of a water vapors from the aerial part of the plant, that is called as a transpiration. Transpiration are following types. These are the stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration and the lenticular transpiration. The transpiration takes place from the aerial part of the plant is the leaves, stem, fruit, floral parts of the plant, but maximum water is lost takes place through the leaves. Okay, the transpiration processes are the following three types: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration and the lenticular transpiration. Firstly, we discuss about the stomatal transpiration. Stomata are a small pore present in the epidermis of a leaves and herbaceous stem. It is composed by two guard cells. These guard cell controls the opening and closing of the stomata, but out of the total transpiration, 80 to 90% of the water is lost through the stomatal transpiration. Out of the transpiration or water loss takes place through the stomatal transpiration. Hence, this is called as a stomatal transpiration. In the stomatal transpiration, the number of stomata are more on the upper side of the leaves, but sometime in the monocot, that is the grasses, they are equally distributed on the both side, while in some aquatic plants they are only present on the upper side of the leaves. Next is the cuticular transpiration. The cuticular transpiration means what? All the green aerial part of a plant covered by a thin layer of wax like coating called as a cuticle. It may be thin or thick from plant or the part of the single plant. The cuticle helps to decrease the transpiration process, but small amount of water is lost occurs through it. Out of the total transpiration, 5 to 10% of the water is lost takes place. Third one is the lenticular transpiration. This transpiration process is only present in the woody plants where the secondary growth is present, and hence this transpiration is called as a lenticular transpiration. In the lenticular transpiration, the pyramid outerly covered by the cork tissue. In order to supply air to the inner living tissue, small opening are present called as a lenticles, or it is also called as a pores. It is composed of loosely arranged rounded cell with intracellular space. Water vapor lost through the lenticles is negligible, means 0.01% water is lost through the lenticular transpiration. Student, transpiration means what? Transpiration is a physiological process in which the water is lost in the form of a vapors from the aerial part of the plant body, that is called as a transpiration. This transpiration is following three types. Transpiration are of the three types. First one is called the stomatal transpiration, second one is cuticular transpiration, and third one is the lenticular transpiration. Stomatal transpiration means what? The water is lost from the stomata, that is called as a stomatal transpiration. In the stomatal transpiration, 80 to 90% of the water is lost through the stomata. Because of that, the large amount of water is lost from the stomatal transpiration. Then after, in the stomatal transpiration, stomata shows the opening and the closing mechanism. Because of that, large amount of water is lost. Next one is the cuticular transpiration. This cuticular transpiration means what? A wax-like coating is present on the all green aerial part of the plant, that is called as the cuticles. Okay, in the cuticular transpiration, the water is lost through the 5 to 10%. And last one is the lenticular transpiration. This lenticular transpiration is only present on the woody plants, that is the where the secondary growth is present. Hence this is called as the epidermis is replaced by the periderm. In this lenticular transpiration, 0.01% water is lost. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then click on the like button and please subscribe this channel and share to the another students also. Thank you.